Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Discipline Trading Strategies. This week's Trade of the Week video is for the week ending August 29th of 2021. The stock was ENDP. This happened on Monday the 23rd. It was based on a daily chart that had a bearish wide range bar ending the move down and then a little mini gap up that morning that formed a little 1 minute breakout, 5 minute continuation play sort of in between there somewhere. Management simple, reward to risk 3.4 to 1. As usual, before we get to that, what's going on this week? Unfortunately, nothing for the free stuff members. There's an event for the seminar students on Tuesday, and then Friday is actually going to be a DTS holiday. We're going to take a 4-day weekend, so it's kind of a short week. But the following week, there'll be good stuff going on. There'll be a presentation, a special event on Wednesday, and then Friday will be that Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis class. And after that, on that weekend, starts the next cycle of the DTS seminar program. ENDP daily chart. This was part of what caught my eye this day. This is not anything all by itself that I would go out and trade, not even for 1 day trade, but it is this multiple bars down, big gap down, big volume in here, and caught my eye, put it on the list, and then the next morning we saw it gapping up just a little bit, and that's what I ended up doing that day. Got lucky with a nice move. A lot of that happened the first 30 minutes of the day. Hourly chart doesn't show you a whole lot other than the fact that we did kind of gap up there just enough to clear that last hour of trading, which in this case I think was significant, but also the entry was critical on this one. 60-minute chart doesn't show us a whole lot about the strategy beyond what the daily chart does. I got in just a couple of cents over where the open was, but not on the way up. It had dropped first, and then I wanted to see it take out the open. 5-minute chart, you can't quite see that detail yet, but we opened there, got in just a little bit over that entry at 229 over 228, stop under 220. Target 1 got really lucky here. It had a nice move up to 250. That was great, and I was going to start trailing the first target, and it just shot higher. This is a real tail. It went up that high, and I caught it on a trail on the way up there, trailing underneath 260. That was great, of course. Back half then, hold to end of the day. Naturally, at some point, I moved the stop up to here. At some point, I moved the stop up to here. Gave it the room to get to the end of the day. Closed out not a whole lot higher, 267. Great little play. The stock does a lot of volume, easy to get it, no problem whatsoever. You can see the 1-minute chart a little better detail. It opened right in there, and then it fell first a little bit. Actually, it opened up. That arrow's not correct. It opened at the top of the red bar, of course. Fell down first initially. This is not the type of trade you want on the way down or any kind of pullback. I want to see that strength. Taking out the high and that little topping tail right in there. That's what I wanted to see. Entry, stop. You can see target 1, huge move there, and then target 2, of course, at the end of the day. Great little trade. This is pick goes a little bit different. Lately, we've had some gaps as favorites, been some really good trading going on, a lot of favorites, a lot of good strategies. And this is a little different because it's right off the daily chart. It's kind of a classic thing. Where this goes from here, it might bounce a couple, 3 days. I don't even know what it did because after this day, I was done, and that was the end of it for me. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you like what you see here, very methodical approach, a very planned out day, something you can participate in with mostly all higher volume stocks. Come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Hop over to the DTS website, Discipline Trading Strategies, and you can figure out how to become a member of the DTS Trading Room if you like. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.